Environmental degradation is one of the greatest threats to Uganda, and if no serious efforts are made to stop it, it will endanger Ugandans' lives and ruin our future. Here are some suggestions we should consider if the environment is to be conserved. The government should say and mean no to new human settlements and constructions in wetlands and forests by both citizens and foreign investors. Current usage of wetlands and forests by either individuals or companies should be stopped, and compensation can be done if possible. All wetlands and forests should be defined and demarcated, and people should be sensitized. Wetlands should be left free for vegetation to grow naturally. However, in urban settlements, wetlands can be modified for commercial purposes such as water transport, amusement centers, etc. Environmentalists should consider and decide on the type of trees to be planted near wetlands and in forests. Licensed companies can cut the old trees and replant new ones. The government should discourage wooden building materials, furniture, and firewood. Cultivation alongside lake shores and riverbanks should not be done within 350 feet to avoid the shooting of lakes and rivers. Trees should be planted alongside roads in cities and villages. We should ensure that at least one tree is planted in every plot of land found in urban centers. The government should carry out afforestation in semi-arid and arid areas. We should encourage scientific innovation to manage wastes to prevent water pollution. Imagine the green beauty, natural breeze, life at its fullness, nature appeal.